So, a little bit of an impromptu gear review here. I was looking for a trail saw, and I wanted one that would fit nicely in my backpack, and I found this one. It's the SVEN folding bow saw. So it folds up real nice and neat and thin like this, and stashes away real slim. I know a lot of guys like the big silky folding saw, and those are super nice. And they set up, honestly, they set up easier and faster than this one does. Slide that into there. You have to make sure that goes in kind of at the same time. Slide that through, put your wing nut on the back, and voila, you have a bow saw. So it cuts great. So like I said, a lot of guys like the big silky, and the big silky is really convenient. You just pull it out and open it like a knife. This one takes a little bit longer to set up, but I figure I don't use the saw that often, and I want something that's really, because this thing is super lightweight. I want something that's lightweight and stores easy. Okay. Awesome. SVEN-SAW, there you go. That's fit. And it goes back together. Just like game part. Put that in there. Drop it in. And that's it. It's the SVEN-SAW folding trail saw. They make two sizes. They make like a 21-inch and an 18-inch. This is the 18-inch. The 21-inch stuck out too high past my backpack, but on the Klim Pack, it's got this kind of spot, and it fits in there perfect. So anyway, I like it. It stays out of the way. It's easy to use. Since I don't use it often, I don't mind the added setup time.